Hi guys, what's up YouTube? I have today I'm gonna replace the motor, the original motor for the arrma typhon 3S or typhon what they call it, and I have this motor 3200 kV. So only take 3S, and I get brand new 4S, but I can run it on 3S. I can take 3S or 4S, so I'm gonna run it for now 3S. And the motor is this one is BLX 366. That's the number. 4S brushless motor, 4-pole, 2400 kV motor, brushless motor. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put in. So I'm gonna do a quick test. This is the motor, brand new. I was actually looking original one, doesn't have, so this more kV. And see this guy. This is the motor here, 2400 kV. I just put in, doesn't come with pinion. I already opened the box. So I put now 15 pinion gear. See how it does. Is it gonna run fast or no? Maybe not gonna run like that one. That one is more kV, more speed. So this one is less kV, more torque. I'm gonna show you guys how to put in. See you. And this is the pinion gear, guys. I'm using like 15 pinion original. So first you put this heat seating. Before you put this piece, you take it off, and you put the heat sink this way from the front of the motor. You push it inside, and you put this metal piece and this plastic. You can see, guys, this one should be out. This one should be like this, like same as the motor. And after you put spinning gear, if easy for you, you can if you want to adjustable your pinion gear, you put it here. So just put this one temporary here, and you have two screw here. You don't tie it all the way up, and you put your spur gear and your pinion gear here, and you can see you just push it and you can adjustable your pinion gear. And after tight this one, and this one, hold it, make sure it's running okay. Or if you want to put a paper towel, sorry, here between. After you put it, that's it. So I'm gonna show you again how to gonna do after I adjustable it. I'm gonna show you is the right setup here. On here again, so when you just set up, so make sure your pinion gear, I'm gonna tighten it up. You need the 2.0 millimeter screwdriver. This I'm gonna tighten up. Make sure it's all the way down, tight up. Oh yes, and again you go here and you adjustable. You put two screw here, if you can see, guys. Sometimes it's a little bit hard. You can do it like this. You see, guys, don't tight, just tight it a little bit so you can move, you can go. You see, you have to, when you put spur gear, to adjustable it. So I'm gonna put the plastic piece inside. You see how it's look? You can know it's gonna okay. Ooh. Maybe I make mistake. Oh no. Don't make mistake here. See from the behind. Okay, no. On each side, the sport gear when you take it off is bearing. Can go inside here, bearing. And this have a two side. If you take it off, the long side is good in the drive shaft. You put it the long side. You put it in the motor, where the back of the motor is go like that. It's going like this. From now, I'm gonna just adjustable the motor. You see it's moving, so I'm gonna see how it's look like now. This is the hard thing I don't like, is you have to adjustable your motor. You adjustable your motor, but when you tighten it, it's still moving. So tighten it little bit, not much, and see how you can, you have a space here. You see, when you guys do this, it's look tight. I'm not make sure which one is here. It's look for me. It's look tight. The motor. So always this long one is going to the drive shaft. Let's go here. Sorry guys, sometimes you see this one is go here. Don't put short one. So I'm gonna put. I have to remember that. And the bearing each side. So I'm gonna put now here. I see the sport gear with the pinion is too tight. I'm gonna lose the motor a little bit. It's too tight. I'm gonna go this setup. Sometimes hard to control. I'm gonna see if you losing your pinion gear. If it lost too much, your motor get hit. If both tight together, pinion gear and sport gear, always your motor get hit. So both way your motor is gonna get hit. If you lose it too much, sport gear and pinion is gonna your motor get hit. If you guys don't know, make sure. So I'm gonna put this back up. You guys are gonna close like this, and I'm gonna hold it like this, and you guys take the drive shaft, put it here, and spin it. For me, the noise is good. It's a little bit hard because I think of the motor is 2400 kV. That's why spin a little bit harder. It's okay now. I'm not sure about this, but I have to make sure so I don't wanna get hit the motor, loosening or tightening the sport gear, pinion gear. It's okay now. I'm gonna tighten again both sides. Perfect match. Perfect match. So I'm gonna tighten it all the way up. it's good now. I think so, it's okay now. That's the pinning gear is match. It's going down, and as you can see guys, it's going down, and when you put this, it's gonna make it more nice. And you have a three screw, one here, one here, one here, one the middle, right and left side, 3 screw to hold at the back the thing. I'm gonna go again, let's see how it does. It's okay, the motor. If not, I will check it too many times and see how it's going. And now I have a 3 screw. I'm gonna put it in. I don't have a drill. I have a drill bit, but doesn't do this screw here. You hold it down, 3 screw. I'm gonna hold it down with, I'm gonna tighten the screw, and I'm gonna try again, make sure the pinning gear is okay, not too tight no good, too loose no good. If too loose, you get heat and you're gonna mash your spur gear, you're gonna break it, you're gonna melt your spur gear. Now it's perfect, so we're gonna try it again, test it again. It's look to me, I think it's look to me too tight. Or you can try it in your car, see if your car go okay or not. It's making a noise. It's okay now. And now we put everything back, and see these three slides. I can go inside the car, here and here and here. So when you take it off, and this one is for lock, you pull it out. If you put it in, so just tie the right and left corner, it's gonna go easy more. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna push it in. Make sure nothing in. So it's gonna go like this. Make sure there's no space on the side. When you put it, you can just pull up this one, and it's gonna go. Make sure it's making noise. This means go in. But one hand is difficult for me, because one hand. So I'm gonna show you again. And now guys, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna, you can't see anything, so I'm gonna show you, gonna go in. Just need push from the side. It'll make noise. Doesn't, it's a little bit hard to go in. Why doesn't go in this one? Don't wanna go in. Why? Oh, this guys, this is hard. hard part to go in. Doesn't go in. Ooh, this is tricky. Why they make it like that? They tell us easy, and you guys here need a lot of power. Why doesn't go in? Something stuck. Or you can pull this one. Sometimes go in, doesn't go in. Sometimes go in easily the part, sometimes no. Why? What's going on here? Why doesn't go in? What's going on here? Because of the motor? No. Don't tell me it's the motor. I think one screw of the motor is here. This one is touching the chassis of the car. Maybe. But no, it's not a big deal. I'm gonna make it go in. It doesn't go in. Ah, shit. It doesn't go in. Why? It's gonna take forever, guys. One second. Now, guys, it's in. So make sure when you put you have this pull here, the pull, you can flip it up and you push. Sometimes it doesn't go in because this drive inside doesn't match with the gearing inside. So if you drive it and push it, it's gonna go in. Now I'm gonna put the drive shaft. So drive shaft is 2-piece. You guys put first piece go inside over here, okay, and second piece, this thread go to the right in the metal thing, or before you put, as you see, it's like spring inside. I put it together like this and make sure it's the bearing inside. And they make it easy way and hard way, both. You can see, guys, it's here. And you have this metal thin thread. You push slide it inside, just like this. See, it's in. When you go in, make sure it's okay, and you have a tight knot here. You guys, you solder it like this. Good to go. And I'm gonna put the wires, so you guys know the wires only go by color. Make sure, guys, always color the right way to go in the motor. I play with my wires, that's why they doesn't go in. I make them small. Because I was using different type of stuff, that's why. Sorry, guys, my video not that good. Sometimes they doesn't go in, so You can make them biggest or smaller. Make sure tight up. Oh, I think this one not gonna go in. And now guys, we're gonna plug the battery in, and oh, I don't hold that. You can put the battery in. First, always turn on your remote control. So I'm gonna make sure it's working, everything okay. This here is gonna run. Make sure this run. It's running good, everything, and you can see guys. You can see guys, it's here, it's okay. Make sure you put fan working, everything. This is the motor I put for typhon 3S. This is the here, typhon 3S. This is the body. This is the original motor, and the brake I think is not from heat. I jumped this car in the one time in the skate park in the concrete. Never jump your RC cars in the concrete. I had 2 times the corner of the metal here, where is the motor, 2 times here. That's why the drive shaft in this motor inside, the magnetic inside, doesn't turning, it's like bending inside. So this one 3200 kV original motor. If you want, I put 4S. Maybe after I change the AC, I put 4S AC. I have already now 4S motor. It's good, but you can run it 3S for now. This is the motor 3S arrma. I think this the part number here. You guys see, made in China, everything China. And please guys subscribe, and always subscribe, please guys. Any question, I can fix any RC cars, can do more videos. Thank you guys, please subscribe. Thank you.